What's up, guys? Welcome back to Killing It with Keto. I'm Andrea, and I have got the best fat bomb recipe for you guys today. It's cookies and cream fat bombs. It is the perfect mix of sweet, salty, creamy, cold. Like, it's good. So if you're interested in a great snack, keep on watching. Let's talk about the macros. This makes 12 servings altogether. It takes about 20 minutes. There are 8 total carbs, only 1 net carb. There's 12 grams of fat in each one and 2 grams of protein. And each one that you make should come out to be the size of a muffin. Because I don't have the little silicone muffin pans, I would, like, if you guys have these the little squishy things that I have, the silicone chocolate trays, I guess you could say. If you have those, you can eat about 4 of those, and that would be 1 serving. This is what you'll need: 2/3 cup almond flour, 2 tablespoons cacao powder, 7.5 teaspoons truvia, separated into half and half, 1/8 teaspoon coarse kosher salt by Morton, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cup coconut milk, and 2 tablespoons vanilla extract. You'll also need a sifter for your flour, and try to have either a food processor or a Ninja Bullet. You are also going to need some of these little things. What would work better is some of those silicone muffin holders. That would be even better for portioning. On these, you don't want to eat more than 2 or 3, but on one of the muffin holders, you can actually eat 1 whole one. First thing you want to do is sift your flour. You want to get all those clumps out of there, because I have learned the hard way that no matter what you're doing, if you do not sift, it will not taste good at all. Kind of rub it around and push it through. This almond flour takes a long time to sift because it's made from almonds. I'm gonna use my spatula, kind of push it down in there. Maybe I should have used my cheese grater. We'll be back when this is done. All right, so now after your kids have played in the almond flour like sand, go ahead and put that almond flour in either your food processor or your Ninja Bullet cup. Is it a Ninja Bullet? I don't even know. It's a Ninja. And we're experimenting today. We don't know for sure if this little Ninja is gonna work to our advantage or against us. We'll see. Now we're gonna do that. We're also going to put in the melted butter. I went ahead and melted my butter. I'm gonna put that in there. Now add in your salt, your little pinch of salt, and half of your truvia. We have to put our cacao powder in there. I almost missed that. Put your cacao powder in there. I'm just shaking mine up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Awesome, dude. Look at our little cookie crumbs. It's coming along. I'm gonna do it on the blend mode just one more time. All right. We're gonna put that back into our bowl as much as we can. Look at that. Looking lovely. So we can use this instead of a food processor. Hallelujah. All right, guys, that's your cookie crumbs. I am going to wash this up for the next round and I will be right back. Now we're going to add our vanilla, our truvia, and the coconut milk and our heavy whipping cream together into the Ninja cup. Where's my spatula?
It's right there.
Where?
I don't know.
I don't even know. All of that heavy whipping cream in there, real good.
And she just poured it all.
Now we're going to do 2/3 cup heavy whipping cream. And we're going to mix that up in the Ninja. This time we're going to put it on high blend just until it's good and thick and creamy. Alright, Ultra Blend is what the Ninja has it on. Should be nice and thick now. Yummy, yum, yum. Awesome, look at that. It almost has the consistency of mashed potatoes, and it smells like rotten mashed potatoes. All right, so this is when you gotta put it all together. We're gonna get just a little bit of each and stick them in our little trays. Bust up any of your, you know, your cookie crumbs that you need to if they're a little bit too thick. But this looks like a great consistency. So what you're gonna do is put just a tiny bit of cookie crumbs in the very bottom of your little tray. Use your fingers to manipulate it. Pat down. Make it stick down in there. That was probably way too much. So sometimes you can actually use your leftover cookie crumbs and whip it up in your batter, and it makes it more of a cookies and cream kind of feel. We might try that. As Miley's gonna finish up the purple one, we're gonna do the green one, half of them without the cookies in the middle of it whipped in, and I'll show you what I mean. when we whip it into the one for the purple side. So you're just gonna take your cream and pour it in to fill up the rest of that hole. Doesn't have to be beautiful because when you pop these bad boys out, they're gonna be in that perfect shape that you put it in. Try to make sure you get the thickest part of that cream in there though. Remove some of this. I don't want all of it in my heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna take these big chunks. I'm gonna take the big chunks out. And then I'm gonna put the rest of my cream in the bowl and whip it around. That way it's more of a cookies and cream consistency. Just whip it kind of like you would with icing. Fold it over. Now we'll do the rest of these with it actually in the batter.
Can I
All right,
do...
chop away, Miley. You can see we're left with a lot of batter left, even though we did all of our little sheet. Like I said, this recipe is meant to be used for 12 of those little silicone muffin holders, but since we don't have those, we only have the little chocolate molds. I thought we would make them in these, and you can see it's made quite a few. So now we're gonna pop those in the freezer and see what they taste like after they freeze. All right, guys, so we let these bake in our freezer overnight, and as you can see, we've already dipped into them. But I'm gonna eat one just for show. Y'all, these are so good. Mmm. Y'all, that was delicious. Do you like them? Yeah? It's cold. Yeah. Okay, so here's the thing. At first I was like, yeah, you can take these with you on the go, but no, not these. These have to stay refrigerated or they're gonna turn into a gooey glob. So let them sit outside the freezer for about 10 minutes before you eat them. They are so good. It's like ice cream, but with no sugar. And
Ice cream on a cookie.
yeah, it's like ice cream and a cookie. It's literally cookies and cream. It is so good. But it's totally keto friendly. It's low carb. So you guys have to try this out. It is so good. It is the best fat bomb I have ever tried. And there's been plenty that we have tried and not been able to post because they were terrible. But these are so good.
Mama, wait.
You ate 4?
Mama, there's...
How many did you eat out of this one, Miley? But for real, you guys, you gotta try it. It is delicious.
Mom.
So go to the store, get your ingredients, and give it a go. Anyways, guys, go ahead and please do hit that subscribe button to get weight loss encouragement and delicious recipes that are kid approved every single week sent to your inbox. And don't forget to hit us up on the socials on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much, and please let me know what you liked about it in the comments. Was this easy for you to make? I want to know, and what do you guys want to see in the future from me? Let me know in the comments below. Bye, guys.